I'm back with a new video. So today I will be doing a haul and try on from Goodwill, the good old Goodwill, old and trusty Goodwill. So basically I went to Goodwill this Saturday and I spent $20. Okay, that is so good for the things I got, okay, because I got some good pieces, let me tell you. But we're gonna get right into the video. Also, make sure you're hitting subscribe whenever you watch my video. If you're not already subscribed, make sure you hit that subscribe button because we are trying to get to 300. I don't know why I said 100, yeah, 300. All right, yeah. Okay, so yeah, we're trying to get 300. I think we're at like 213 right now. We got a little way to go, but not that much, you know. I know y'all be watching my videos. Y'all can press subscribe. Rude. Okay, but anyway, let's get on with the video. All right, guys, so this is the big old bag I have. Goodwill. I thought I had a hole now. Let's say. All right, so let me tell you, when I was going there, or when I went there, one thing I was really looking for was a white turtleneck. I don't have one, but now I do because I found one and it has no stains on it. So yeah, this is what I got. This white turtleneck. It's pretty cute. It was originally $4.49, but you know, half price Saturday it was only $2.25. So that is such a good price. If this was bought at anywhere else, it would probably be like $9 to $10, like no lie. They'd be But the next thing I got was this very vintage looking sweater jacket cardigan thing. Super cute, super cute. So yeah, boy, it's really cute. And I tried it on with the turtleneck. You'll see in the clips after me and Little talking right here. But it's super cute on. Like, oh my gosh, I cannot believe I got this. It's so cute, so cute. And then, oh my gosh, these are next. So, I am so excited about these jeans. Like, these jeans are so cute. And they're like the high-waisted vintage jeans that everybody has that is really hard to find in your size, like, period. These jeans are just really hard to fit. You know what I mean? Okay, yeah, whatever. But yeah, I'm so excited. These jeans fit me so perfectly. They look so good on. I'm keeping them forever. I promise to never cut you. So I got, like, all the shirts I got were turtleneck because I'm really am obsessed with turtlenecks lately, but this one is super cute. It's like this lime green. It looks really good with my skin color. Oh shoot, who is she? I don't know, but yeah, it's super cute. Yeah buddy, yeah buddy. All these turtlenecks were $2.25. Oh, and the jeans were like $3.50. No, $3.50, $3.50 for them jeans, bro, and they fit perfect. I'm through. I'm done. Period. All right, but next I got these other jeans. I don't know why it doesn't want to come out, but yeah, I got these jeans. They are super cute. They fit really good. They're super stretchy, and on the inside, I don't know why this is, but on the inside it has like an elastic band. And I had this thought that maybe they were like maternity jeans, but honey, if they are, I may as well be pregnant because these fit perfect. Okay, these fit great. Yeah, they got the little rip right there. I don't think they are. I think they're just like nice jeans, but they're really nice. These were also $3.50. Alright, and now give you this other turtleneck. This blue is so pretty, and it's a crop top, so it's like different. Who is she? Who wonders? But yeah, it's super cute. Super. And then the last thing I got from Goodwill, last thing, so sad, but I'm really happy about my purchases, was this pink turtleneck. This was the only thing that I got that had a stain on it, but I didn't realize until after. But also it's like small and really in a non-noticeable spot. It's like right here. Let's see, yeah, right there. And it looks like detergent maybe, or like a marker, I don't know, but I'll probably just layer it and wear a jacket over it so you can see. But yeah, super cute. Super excited to wear it. It's gonna look so cute on. I'll show you guys in the next clip. So yeah. Alright guys, that's the end of the video. I'm Renee. Thanks for coming to my video. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit the like button, comment down below which turtleneck I should wear first, because I mean there's so many options, I don't know. I'm really feeling the lime green one though. That one's really cute. But comment down below and let me know, and I'll take your suggestions or whatever. Okay, I'm done. But if there's any videos that you guys would like to see me do, I really will do them. Like, I'm busting out videos, you know, left, right. You're like, whoa, calm down. And I'm like, I have to put them out, period. Okay, I'm done. But I'll see you guys in the next video, and peace.